Hello everyone, my name is Oki Akbar Afifa. I'm here. I want to explain about EVTech technology in automotive. This is I want to explain the picture about EVTech engine, and then I want to explain about the content, the point one until eight, and the next the point one. Introduction. Uh, VTech is variable valve timing and leaf electronic control. Is a valve train system developed by Honda improve the volumetric efficiency of a four-stroke internal combustion engine. The VTEC system used the camshaft profile. This was the first system of this kind. And then next is what is VTEC? The E stands for intelligence. VTEC is intelligent VTEC. Honda introduced many innovations in VTEC, but the most significant one is the addition of variable valve opening overlap mechanism to the VTEC system, named VTC for variable timing control. The current implementation is on the intake camshaft and allow the valve opening overlap between the intake and exhaust valve to be continuously varied during the engine operation. This allows for a further refinement to the power delivery characteristic of VTEC, permitting fine-tuning of the mid-band power delivery of the engine. And the next is about EVTech. EVTech is the combine about technology VTech and VTC. And the next is how does it work? VTech is an electronic and mechanical system in some Honda engine that allows the engine to effectively have multiple camshafts. As the engine moves into different RPM range, the engine's computer can activate alternate loops on camshaft and change the cam's timing. At low RPM, the Lloyds push the exhaust and intake valve will open and close by means of rocker arm or the two small ones. For maximum engine performance, at low engine speed, the valve needs to open and close differently than they do at the higher speed. This is good for volumetric efficiency. At the high RPM by constraint, a solenoid inject more oil into the rocker arm, which forced to pinch in the larger central rocker arm. When the large central lobe is active, that time two small lobes did not control the valve control and the opening and closing of intake and exhaust valve. And the next is the history about EVTech. It was invented by Honda R&D engineer Ikuo Kajitani. In the regular four-stroke automobile engine, the intake and exhaust valve are activated by lobes on a camshaft. The shape of the lobes determines the timing, length, and duration of each valve. Timing refers to an annual measurement of when a valve is open or closed with respect to the piston position. If the position is TDC or BDC. Length refers to how much the valve is open, and last duration refers to how long the valve is kept open. And the last, the optimal valve timing, length, and duration setting under low RPM engine operation are very different from those under high RPM. The next, the performance from EVTech. This new engine utilizes Honda VTEC technology which adjusts valve timing and lift based on the engine's RPM, but adds VTC, variable timing control, which continuously modulates the intake valve overlap depending on engine load. The two combine yield in a highly intelligent valve timing and lift mechanism. In the intake manifold, reward exhaust system, lane burn optimized catalyst converter help to create an engine. And there's something if you take is have a more advantage. It's like reduce noise level. There's no mechanical device is using in this technology, so the noise and vibration produced by the system is comparatively low. The electronic control and multiple injection reduce noise to a great extent. And scope for further development. Use of a some like use a different fuel from zero emission and better engine performance. And get lowering the cost, which experiment on the most important solution to balancing low emission. It's also stand for high performance. And the advantage and limitation. The advantage is one, better fuel efficiency, two, high initial torque with relevant high power, three, lower emission glass strong performance. And the limitation, one, higher cost of engine, two, more complex mechanism, three, wear and tear problems, four, fail to overcome turbocharging, and five, decrease engine life. And the last is the conclusion. VTEC system is more sophisticated than earlier variable valve timing system, which could only change the time both valves are open during the intake or exhaust overlap beyond on the transmission between the exhaust and induction stroke. By the contrast, the VTEC setup can after both camshaft duration and valve lift. VTEC technology gives us the best in vehicle performance, fuel economy increase, emission are reduced, derivabilities, engine and power is improved. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy the video.